Want to find a complete actuated valve assembly in just minutes? With the launch of its new on-demand CAD models and complete assembly-specific datasheets, Assured Automation makes it easy. Let's take a look. From assuredautomation.com, select the type of valve you want to assemble. Choose a specific series from the Overview and Selection Guide that lists the specs and key features for all series of that type. Or, you can go to the Products drop-down menu, which provides enough detail to select a product series. All series have information and buy pages. On the Info page, you can read more about the specific series, including specs, applications, features, and benefits. When you are certain that you have found the proper series, go to the Buy page. Most buy pages feature Assured Automation's best-in-industry product configurators, which provide pricing, photos, part numbers, and descriptions as you make each selection. If you are ever unsure which selection to make, use the informative pop-up help screens to guide you. You can also include any accessories you need, such as valves, limit switches, or positioners. Once you're happy with the final configured assembly, click the CAD icon. This opens a window to an interactive 3D preview of your assembled product with basic dimensions right on the model. To download a copy of that complete assembly model, go to Generate CAD, click Add Formats, and then choose from over 150 file formats so that you get the format that works natively in your CAD platform. Then, select Start Generation. Whether you need a CAD file or not, you will certainly want to download a PDF datasheet for your specific complete assembly. This includes a cover page with the part numbers and general descriptions of the valve and actuator, along with an interactive 3D preview of the model. The next page includes a pressure-temperature curve for the series, as well as a construction drawing with the material of each part. The third page features a full-page, 3-view dimensional drawing of the actuated valve assembly. The fourth page includes detailed specifications for the valve and actuator, with links to the related web pages at the bottom of each table. And finally, the fifth page includes specifications for any accessories you may have added, again with links to the related web pages. Now that's making valve automation easy. For more valve and actuator solutions, go to assuredautomation.com and check out partsolutions.com to learn more about online solutions for industrial manufacturers.